Do you want to build an agriculture and livestock investment platform website? So please watch this video completely, because in this video I will teach you step by step how to create an agriculture and livestock website. I will share with you very good quality premium source code to create this website. You can easily create this website using this source code, so you don't need to know any programming language. We are getting strong admin panel to manage this agriculture and livestock platform website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through this admin panel, because you are getting all kinds of features section to manage the website step by step in this admin panel. Also, we are getting very nice home page design. We can show interest to investors on our website for investment by showing notification here. Also, we can show here the list of different types of agriculture and livestock projects. Various investors can see the lists of these projects and invest in the projects of their choice. Also, various investors can register and log in very easily on our website. Now I will introduce you to Investors Account panel. Now you can see the dashboard of an investor's account. Here investors can see the various investments of their project and can see the profit and loss. Investors can also make deposits on our website using various international payment methods. Also, investors can take live support from us for any problem. So let us now learn step by step how to create a professional agriculture and livestock investment platform website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create agriculture and livestock investment platform website. Check the video description, because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you if you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish agriculture and livestock investment platform website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some of these folders. I will now teach you step by step how to add permissions to folders. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the database information of the hosting panel to the website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Then we have to submit the admin login information here. Now we will click on Install Now button. Now we must delete the install folder. Now we have to do the purchase verification, for which we will submit the purchase verification code here. Then we have to click on Activate Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can easily customize the website by logging into the admin panel. You can change the important features of the website in the System Settings section. You can change the name and color of the website and other features in the General Settings section. Also, you can easily change the logo and favicon of the website. You can also add automatic international payment methods to the website. Investors of the website can easily deposit on our website using these payment methods. Also, you can easily view all investment reports. And you can publish step-by-step various investment projects on the website. That's why you have to submit your investment project information here. Also, you get many more important features section in admin panel to manage the website. If you have any problem understanding anything about the admin panel, then definitely contact us and we will help you. In this video we learn step by step how to build agriculture livestock investment website platform. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much to watch this video in full. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe the channel.